So in this setup, what we have done is we have connected the tracker, which is this, directly to this small converter here. So the converter basically converts any voltage from 6 to 24 down to 5 volts. So the converter is now connected on this port here directly to the laptop's battery. It comes all the way down and it converts it to the 5 volts. And also you can also make note of the way we have wired the antennas. So this antenna wiring system, these two are antennas and they come from the tracker and they go all the way up onto the hinge bar. So the hinge is really nice place to put the antenna because it has reduced interference from any electronics around, and also it allows better connectivity. So this two, one is for GPS and the other one is for GSM, 3G and 4G.
So some do use external battery, which is what you have here, right?
Yes.
Okay.
This is the
Okay.
lithium-ion battery, and we're not using for it. If we were to use it, we would have connected it to this green and white. That is on the tracker here.
Okay.
To the green and white of the battery.
Okay. On this other laptop, we use a battery.
Yes. This one we used the battery because we put the tracker behind the screen, and it fitted in nicely.